I got soul in my souls. This is Budaya Pop. Hello, welcome back to the show. We're back at it again with yet another sneaker unboxing. I'm psyched about this pair because I got this pretty little thing for the very low price of 170 ringgit from its original retail price of 539 ringgit. That's a huge discount. So I got the pair of Crossover's website under the sale section. So if you buy stuff off Crossover's website, they're usually pretty quick when it comes to the delivery, but god damn it, this one came in like an instant. I purchased the sneakers on a Thursday afternoon, I think, and it arrived in the office on a Friday afternoon. That's like less than 24 hours. That's pretty quick. So kudos to the Crossover team. I'm very happy that you guys managed to deliver the sneakers in speedy time. They do charge a small delivery fee, but it's hand delivered, so I'm perfectly fine with paying a little bit more. That's perfectly fine. So as long as my sneaker is safe, I'm fine. Ta-da! So these are the New Balance X-90 Seoul pack. This particular pack is a collaboration between New Balance and famous South Korean illustrator and toy artist Wicked Piece. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Right off the cuff. Crossover. 20% off. Oh yes, and they're celebrating their 15-year anniversary this year. So as you can see, it ended in August. Ooh. Nice. Look at that, that's pretty. And unfortunately, any release outside of South Korea, we do get a generic box, as you can see. If you get it from South Korea itself, you'll get the cool graffiti that Wicked Piece actually designed. Just Google online for New Balance X-90 Wicked Piece and you'll see what I'm talking about. So New Balance is actually quite popular in South Korea, or so I've been told. I've never actually been. I was supposed to go this year, but again, unfortunately, due to the pandemic, couldn't go. So that sucks. So since it's very popular in South Korea, it only made sense for New Balance to actually collaborate with one of their pop culture icons, Wicked Piece. I'm really digging the colorway on this one. Like, see, they even gave pink laces. So there's hints of dark blue. You got black soles coming along. Well, it's predominantly white. I think these are reflectors, I'm not mistaken. Yeah, maybe if you take a picture using your flash, you might get a glow. Pretty clean. I like the color blocking. As you can see, there's Seoul written on the laces. That's pretty neat. Let me see if I can take this out. Oh, I can. Yay! Then that, my friends, is the Seoul Tower, if I'm not mistaken. Can you see that? Pretty nice, pretty nice. You know, with a tinge of neon pink. I like that it's not too overpowering. It's just hints of it. One here, one here. Nothing too loud, but they give you an option if you want to make it loud. Here are some pink, neon pink laces. Pretty nice, I must say. So this one I managed to snag again. It's always the last pair. I'm not sure why I keep getting lucky with last pairs. But for New Balances, I actually rock a size 9 as opposed to my usual 8.5 US. It's pretty weird as my shoe size is not consistent. If someone wants to buy me sneakers, I have to be very specific and tell them the model and the size as well, because they can just go, oh, what shoe size do you wear? I can't just go, oh, I wear like a 9 US, because different sneakers have different cuts and some are more comfortable. I was like, I think Ultra Boost, I wear a 9.5 US, which is weird. I used to wear 8.5, but they're running a bit snug. I don't think my feet are growing. That doesn't make sense. But I do rock a 9.5 for Ultra Boost and 9s for New Balances. So these are pretty nice and pretty dope. I don't know why sometimes you see pretty nice sneakers end up in the bargain bins, but good for me though, because I love them, and I didn't have to pay 500 ringgit for them. I actually have 6 pairs of New Balances, and my favorite silhouette has to be the 574s. Well, actually all 6 of them are 574s. So this is actually my first non-574 New Balances. And this is also actually my first X90. I do like the silhouette. I do like it. It's one piece. It kind of reminds me of the Ultra Boost and the Nike Presto. So it's really convenient to slip on. I've tried it on. It's really comfortable. Pretty good cushioning, I must say. Clearly, it's not. You won't use it for exercise or for running, but as walking sneakers, I think this are fine. I can safely say this will definitely not be my last pair. Well, that's our show for today. If you want to cop yourself a brand new pair of sneakers without breaking the bank, I suggest you head down to Crossover Concept Store's website and click on the sale section. You can find a lot of gems there for a fraction of the price. I will definitely leave a link in the description below so you guys can go and check it out. And I hope you find something cool there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, please stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.